Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to never get overcharged on FBA again with the Fee Explainer tool. Let's get into it. Amazon FBA sellers are often charged fulfillment fees that don't match the actual size or weight of their products. These discrepancies can result in sellers paying more than they should. Until recently, verifying and correcting these overcharges was a complicated process. To address this, Amazon has introduced a new Fee Explainer tool. This feature can be accessed within Seller Central by going to Payments, selecting Transaction View, and opening an individual transaction. From there, sellers can review a complete breakdown of all fulfillment-related fees. The Fee Explainer displays details such as program type, unit dimensions, shipping weight, unit weight, and dimensional weight. This transparency allows sellers to compare fee calculations across orders and quickly identify inconsistencies. One of the most useful additions to this tool is the Request Remeasurement option. Previously, submitting a remeasurement request required manually opening a case, requesting a Cubiskin, and supplying product details. The process was time-consuming and often required sellers to first notice discrepancies themselves. Now, when a seller suspects that fees are inaccurate, they can simply click the Request Remeasurement button. This automatically opens a support case form with most of the required details such as ASIN and order number already available from the transaction record. Sellers then only need to provide a short description, such as requesting a Cubiskin, to confirm accurate product dimensions. This step is crucial because fulfillment fees are tied directly to how Amazon measures and categorizes each product. If an item is mistakenly placed into a larger packaging tier, sellers may be charged as if the product is bigger or heavier than it truly is. By confirming dimensions through remeasurement, future orders are billed correctly, and sellers may also qualify for reimbursements on past overcharges. Replaces. Consider a scenario where a product qualifies for the small standard size tier, but Amazon charges it under the large standard size tier. Even a small difference in fees per order can accumulate into significant losses over time. Similarly, items placed into oversized packaging can trigger higher fees if Amazon measures the box instead of the product itself. With the Fee Explainer tool, sellers can now monitor transactions in detail, identify when charges are higher than expected, and take immediate action. This reduces the likelihood of unnoticed overcharges and streamlines the process for requesting corrections. In practice, the tool makes it possible to compare multiple transactions for the same ASIN and quickly spot patterns. If one order shows higher dimensions or shipping weight compared to others, sellers can initiate a remeasurement request with a few clicks. This improvement is a major step forward for FBA sellers. Instead of relying on assumptions or lengthy manual checks, the Fee Explainer provides clarity and actionable data directly in Seller Central. It empowers sellers to ensure they are only paying the correct fulfillment fees for their products. Regularly reviewing transactions with the Fee Explainer can help sellers protect margins, recover lost funds through reimbursements, and prevent future overcharges. It represents one of the most practical updates Amazon has released for sellers in recent years, simplifying a process that was previously frustrating and inefficient. Replace. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.